How to view transaction history on SafePal. Are you guys facing issues to view your transaction history on SafePal? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To view your transaction history on SafePal, open the SafePal application on your mobile device. Now go to your wallet home screen. Tap on the token like Bitcoin or Ethereum for which you want to take transaction. Scroll down to see a list of all sent and received transactions for that token, including dates, amounts, and status. Tap any transaction to see more details like the transaction ID and block confirmations. If you want to check overall activity, some versions of SafePal also have a history or activity tab in the main menu. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our videos on this channel for full guidance. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to see transaction history on SafePal. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.